Okay, so take a hoodie and put it on backwards, and then put your cat in there.
Whoa! Damn! I don't know what the hell you feed him, but he is too damn big!
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy. Damn.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
God damn, Bella, you got that dump truck.
Introducing the latest model for your cat, the Loaf Cat. Features include no legs, no tail, sleepiness, and an adorable face.
Sometimes I like to lay on the floor and stretch out and show everyone my belly because who doesn't love a big chub like me? I'm chunky and I know it.
Could you activate loaf mode, please? Aw, such a good chonky loaf.
You working out? Oh, good girl. That's good work.
Things in my fat cat adapted household that just make sense. Part 4, the original WAP. For the last 2 months, Herc's weight loss has stopped. Our vet said he's eating very, very few calories and could be undernourished, but also that he needs to move more. You ever try to get a cat to move when it doesn't want to? Fucking impossible. So hydrotherapy it is. Every day for the last week, Herc's gotten into the tub with an increasing amount of water. With the okay from our vet, he's also gotten some treats for his good behavior, and we've only had bloodshed about 50% of the time, so really it's not that bad. Once we got the tub full, we were hoping that he'd swim, but he's too fucking fat to displace enough water to float. What kind of free willy bullshit is this? So the vet said put a towel under him to help hold him up so that he can paddle. That didn't happen. His fat engulfed the towel. We need a new way to suspend him so that he can float and swim. So my husband found this cool grooming bag where you can keep all their feet out, but it's only for cats up to 15 pounds. What the fuck is that? So while he looks for better options, I'm going to sit here and blow dry the cat's ass. Stay tuned for the next part.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy. Damn.
I don't want to alarm anyone, but I haven't snacked in 25 minutes. I don't know whether that sort of gets an award nowadays, but that is something. That is for me. Oh my god, stop it. You don't need to clap